Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation regarding Phase 1 of the Rolling Hills Area Corridor Improvements. This presentation will provide an overview of the project as well as information on how you can provide feedback. Project participation is solicited without regard to race, color, national origin, age, sex, religion, disability, or family status. The Rolling Hills Area Corridor Improvements Project is located within Seminole County in the Rolling Hills neighborhood. The project limits are Raymond Avenue from State Road 434 to North Street from Raymond Avenue to North Palm Springs Drive, and North Palm Springs Drive from North Street to State Road 434. The purpose of the Rolling Hills Area Corridor Improvements Project is to enhance the mobility, safety, and livability along North Street, Palm Springs Drive, and Raymond Avenue. These improvements are based on the results of the 2019-2020 Rolling Hills Area Corridor Study. The project naturally complements the separate Rolling Hills Community Park Master Plan, also underway. Improvements on the project include roundabouts, new medians, new and widened sidewalks, additional crosswalks, and areas of on-street parking. These improvements were identified during the study to meet the project goals to increase mobility, safety, and livability along the corridors. The Rolling Hills Area Corridor Enhancement Study Open House Public Meeting occurred on November 14, 2019. Participants submitted feedback related to the ideas and design options presented at the meeting. This input is the basis for the improvements proposed in the final design project. Proposed improvements along Raymond Avenue include a new roundabout at Stanley Street and an expansion of the pond adjacent to Bernard Avenue. The roundabout will improve safety and reconfigure access at this location. This roundabout also serves as a gateway for motorists entering the Rolling Hills Community Park area. In addition, the two-way left turn lane along Raymond Avenue from Hobson Street to Stanley Street will be eliminated and sidewalk will be added to the west side. Finally, a trail connection is proposed from the Rolling Hills Community Park to State Road 434, ultimately making the connection to the Seminole-Wekiva Trail. Here's a closer look at the roundabout on Raymond Avenue. Access from Barton Street will be accommodated through an extension of Bernard Avenue from Stanley Street to Barton Street. Proposed improvements along North Street include a roundabout at Virginia Street and a modification of the pond adjacent to Nelson Avenue. The roundabout will improve safety and reconfigure access at this location. This roundabout also serves as a gateway for motorists entering the Rolling Hills Community Park area. In addition, wide sidewalk will be added to the north side of North Street from Virginia Avenue to Palm Springs Drive. Finally, median islands are proposed where feasible. Here's a closer look at the roundabout on North Street. The roundabout provides improved sight lines and calmed driver speeds while accommodating all existing movements. Proposed improvements along Palm Springs Drive include two roundabouts, one at Stanley Street and one at Barton Street. The roundabouts will improve safety and reconfigure access at this location. These roundabouts also serve as a gateway for motorists entering the Rolling Hills Community Park area. In addition, wide sidewalk will be added to the east side of Palm Springs Drive from North Street to Hobson Street. Here's a closer look at the roundabouts on Palm Springs Drive. Access from Orlando Avenue, Lakeland Avenue, and Barton Street will be fully accommodated with U-turns at the roundabouts. The design of the project is expected to be completed this winter, with construction scheduled to begin in summer of 2023. We want to hear from you. Stay connected by visiting the project website or contact the County Project Manager. Thank you for your interest.